When we travel, I like to bring these extra bars with. These are just security grabs, handholds that are super easy to use. You just pull up on these little clamps here. If the bathroom is wet, great. You put a little water on there. You set this into anywhere you want in a bathroom, and you close these clamps. And when you close them, they are going to create a vacuum on the surface, and this now becomes a very secure handhold. And it's not permanent. It's there as long as the suction is available. Now I always like to test it first before I add weight to it, but now I can have handholds wherever I need them. So sometimes a hotel has something available, but it might not be exactly where you need it. This can suction cup to the tub, it can suction cup to the walls, and like this, it's even suction cup to a table. So I take these with, and when we're done, you just unsuction cup them, and they come back home with you. They leave no marring, no scuffing, and great sense of satisfaction having great solid handholds when you travel. Hope this helps.